How to choose the right alcohol detox program. Do you know someone addicted to alcohol? Or, do you find yourself becoming dependent to alcohol and you realize that it's bad for you? So you are wondering what possible solution you may consider for your body to recover. If you are thinking that way, then great. The good news is that there are a lot of ways available for you to get rid of your alcohol addiction. One of the most well-known is the so-called alcohol detoxification. Alcohol detox is simply a process that aims to reduce and eliminate the effects of alcohol in a person's body. It is utilized by several rehabilitation and medical centers these days, knowing that alcohol detox can be highly capable of doing such role. With more and more people recognizing this fact, the demand for this procedure is continually increasing, and with the increase, it's no wonder that alcohol detox programs now come in a massive number. Considering that the alcohol detox programs come in a number of forms, choosing the right option can then be a bit puzzling, especially for the beginners. Some of the alcohol detox programs share certain common features though, but there are still others that lack special features. For this reason, choosing the right alcohol detox program in a much careful way can be one of the greatest decisions you can ever make in life. But the question is how to start finding the program option? Well, if you are a beginner wanting to know which of the available alcohol detox programs will best suit your needs, it would be wise if you'll try to learn first the basics of detoxification. Detoxification is not a simple process. It can be dangerous, especially if not handled properly and carefully, the reason that medical professionals are only the ones directed to perform the procedure. Aside from that, alcohol detoxification takes place before the real recovery process. It is the initial phase of the alcohol addiction recovery, and there's no other focus on it than to eliminate the person's craving for alcohol. And, just like the rest of medical operations, alcohol detox has its own risks and complications. That's why alcoholics who are treated by it are often treated with certain medication to alleviate the risks and symptoms of the withdrawal. So when choosing the right alcohol detox program, try to look at those capabilities. Know exactly if the program is capable of treating all the risks associated with the procedure. Also, know how the program is handled, or in what way the patient is treated. Are there any supporting procedures applied to keep the person safe? Or, are the equipments and treatments used truly effective? If you know these answers, then you're on the right track. Look for alcohol detox programs that offer counseling. Yes, counseling is an important part of every detoxification process. It is maintained for the fact that it can help an affected person improve his or her life by simply helping the person learn how to cope with the situation, and how to develop and maintain abstinence to continue the recovery. Just like the actual detox procedure, the counseling is only administered by medical specialists or medical psychologists. Note that there is really no best alcohol detox program. Only those that are capable of meeting your individual needs are worth a consideration.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.